Good morning everyone. How are you guys this morning? It is Thursday and it is getting busy in the neighborhood. Here, if I could do reverse. We got some yard work going on and stuff and traffic's going by. This is the front of the property here. But Boy and I are sitting here having coffee. Say hey, hey, hey. Good morning, happy Thursday. My glasses are already tinting, so I should take those off. But I hope you guys are doing good this morning. Today's October 24th, a Thursday. Today's my birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday, another year for me. I'm getting ready to go to the warehouse to do the cookbook packs, which I'm so late and delayed. I apologize for you guys. So what I've been up to is just trying to get yard work done. As I did my last video, I promised myself that I would take some time, you know, prioritize my things, because you guys know me, I just whip it on out. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm Salena. Again, you're gonna find out that I just jump on and I just throw the video on and show you what a daily routine kind of thing is going on here. So what's new? So today I'm taking the day off. Today's my birthday. But those who haven't been in the shop, take a peek in the shop. Down below is the direct links if you're not familiar with the Etsy shop. I haven't posted in social media, which I will be posting some today. Today, since it's my birthday, I will be showcasing one of our followers in the Facebook group. So take a peek. You want to check out, see who it is I'm showcasing, and to just, you know, give her some support and love. She's one of our group members, and her name is Sherry, so go ahead and check that out here. I'm hoping to have it up before I head out of town for the day. My husband had surprised me to get away for an evening, so which is nice. So the beach and just a little getaway. I'm hoping to put aside work. You know, guys, it's kind of hard to do that sometimes, right? So what's new in the shop? I did put in some of the cookbook packs. They're only $18, guys. It comes with the vintage cookbook hardcovers, the binder, ring binders. You get to choose. What you see is what you get, kind of thing. So take a peek down below and see what they look like. I think I added 5 more last night. I have about like 40 kits. So if you're, oh man, of course, let's get to the warehouse. So if you are not familiar with what they are, just go check them out. We'll take a walk around the other side. Take a peek and check them out. They are all rather pretty cool. We're making our way to the warehouse. Here we go. I guess I could have shared them more and explained, you know, what they look like. Let me press pause and open the garage door. Okay, getting lights on, and now my glasses have tinted. So let's go ahead and get all these lights on and get this stuff going on here. So if you take a peek, I wonder if I can, let's see here, pause and put you through the computer. Okay, so I'm going to reverse camera here in a minute and show you the shop. I guess I could have used the app that I have that you can see the shop better, but I'm just going to reverse my phone camera and show you guys what I did add last night, and then I'll show you what's on the table to what I didn't add. So hang on one second. Okay, so I'm going to go to the screen here. I got to get better with working with my phone, guys, I'm telling you, or my apps. All right, you guys already know this is the shop. So what I did add last night was this one here where you get the hardcover. This one here is really gorgeous. Only $18. In the cookbook page packs are over 100 pages, guys. So, which is so awesome. I mean, they're just beautiful. Like, I'll click on this one right here. Probably need to back up some to show you. See the cookbook packs, and like I said, you get the ring binder. $18, you guys. It's a great deal. So I'll be adding some. See, there's the cookbook pages. What you see is what you get too. At least I can be able to show you guys, you know, the topper of what is in those pages for you guys. But the Holly Hobby packs, guys, oh my gosh, are awesome. So the blue one is just got completed. Yellow's done. They're ready to go. I think I have 6 left of each. I had the pink ones coming out after I get back from my birthday. And I have a green pack Holly Hobby kits. So for those who don't know what they are, I'm going to click on one of them to show you. Blue, I just updated the photo for you guys. What you see is what you get will be in the packs. I'm trying to think here. Yeah, I think I did do a small video for you guys. So you can kind of see what is in the pack. The blue turned out just amazing. If you didn't get the blue one, just they're gorgeous. it's going to be going. Now this Saturday I do have the live where I'm going to be showing a few of the new ones that I just got out. The pink, like I said, the pink here, this is what the packs will look like. See, they'll come in a nice cool white box. They're perfect for gifts too. So that was my main goal as well. And so check that out. There's the yellow one. It's so cute. Look at it. Hey, Laura, you're popping up on my screen. Laura Sullivan. Hey, she's watching this video. You guys got to see, she said, hey. So if you don't know who Laura Sullivan is, guys, I'll put her link down below. She's got a YouTube channel. She always throws out some inspirational videos, a very positive person in general. And so I love her. So, okay, so look at it. It's already filled up. So those will be gone before you know, guys. If you're wanting one, you want to go grab it before they're gone. Sorry, tree man. The children's kits, I'm going to be doing a video here in a couple days. I never got to show you guys what's in them because it's over 100 plus pages as well. And out of 40 of them, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15, 14 or 15 of them. And they're gorgeous, guys. Those books itself is worth the price of the kit, almost nearly the kit, but check them out before they're gone. But I'm going to be doing a video opening of, which one I'm going to be doing a video opening? Oh, this one right here. This one right here. So you guys can see what the packs look like. Sorry, I hope I'm not making you too dizzy. It's so cute. This new baby one's so cute. So I had to open that one. So, all right. So there's that. What am I missing here before I get out of town here? I'm trying to think here. Yeah, so the cookbook packs. So I did add those last night, these 3. So that's why no one knows about them yet. But if you're watching this, you want to go grab it. But here on the counter, sorry guys, is what they look like. To show you the binder, they're gorgeous. And then the packs they come with, look at it. I love how I tied them up. They're so cute. This one's really neat too. I love the inside of the spine of this one. This one would need some reinforcement right there, but this is a beautiful. The rings work great. And then this one here is in the shop right now too. All these I'm showing you are in the shop right now. Oh, look at the inside of that one too. This one's really neat. This is a smaller binder if you're looking for a smaller binder, which is really neat. How cool, right? And over there on my messy table is all the other ones. Let me go check. Okay, this one's on the photo board right now, if you guys can see my photo board. This one I'm going to hopefully get up before I leave out of town today. But this one's the next photo shoot. Look how gorgeous. And the condition of this binder is like this, but I'm sure someone could do something on the spine. But $18, guys, you can't beat it. Everything else is just intact, ready to go. Just beautiful. So that's the next one. Here, like I told you, the kit, I was going to share the kit and explain that one here coming up as well. So you guys can see the rest of that. But right here are all the next ones, photo shoot lineups. I can show you. There's so many binders, guys. Look at, I have so many. And so I got to photo shoot all these packs. It's going to have all those are coming up. So if you don't see them in the shop yet, don't get alarmed. They're coming. It's just a lot of work to list. So like I said, today I'm taking the day off because it's my birthday. And then I'm going to go from there. Okay, hope I didn't overwhelm you too much. Now my glasses are going to tint again. There is a benefit for having those, and there's a not so good reason for having tinted ones. It just, sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Get back on the stairs and sit with you guys for a minute, see if I've missed anything. So yeah, so I've not been in the social media for a couple of days, so I apologize. But like I said, today's my birthday. I'm going to take today off. And then you guys know me, first thing in the morning, there's going to be a lot of posting and stuff. There might be some social media today, but like I said, I really wanted to share Sherry. She's one of our members of the group. For those who don't know what that means, it's my Facebook group, if you're not familiar. I try to once or twice a month take one of the members, and of course I message you first, and I ask, is it okay if I showcase you? And then what I do is I take 3 photos of the members who I'm showcasing, and then I talk a little bit about how I met them, who they are, what they do, what they like to craft, and so that those who are in part of the group can be able to get to know her, or know them, or know each other, because I find a lot of times in the group, or just in a group setting, it's even though social media is nice, it's like people are not socializing as much. And you know, there's so many amazing crafty women and men in our group that I don't want you guys to miss out on. I mean, I get to know them daily. I get to talk to you guys daily, but then you guys don't know each other. And my biggest joy is knowing that you guys help support each other regardless of the craftiness. I mean, the craft part of it is just the bonus. It really seriously is. The best part is getting to know each other. And I'm blessed. Like, for instance, Laura, who I'm already in this video and you can see her pop up on my screen. She's not only just a member, she's a friend. She's obviously, she purchases from the shop. That's how I met her. But becomes a friend. And I get to know her and she knows me. And we help support each other outside of just that. So that is my goal for that Facebook group. So if you're not part of it, join. I mean, I like to get people to be part of it and to get to know each other. I guess I'm just rambling about that one. Trying to think if I'm missing anything, and I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera correctly, but definitely more coffee. And I hope today's gonna be a wonderful day, not only for myself, but for you guys. Seems like there's a bit of everything going on all the time, and everyone has something or struggling with something. I discussed if I would, on my birthday today, would give a gift back, it would be my gift to you guys is that you guys are a blessing. And without you guys, my joy of doing what I do, that becomes my job, which is what I do, wouldn't be possible without you guys. This all started with a Crafty Fun, turn into a shop, and then turn into a group, and then now I know you guys. So without you guys, this would not be possible, and I'm ever so grateful. So for my birthday, I would say thank you, and it is a wonderful gift that you guys give to me daily, and I don't take it for granted, and I appreciate it. So many blessings to you guys, and I hope today's going to be a beautiful day and good day for you guys. And let's see what this weekend's going to happen, because guys, you know, when I come back into the shop and I start back in social media, I'm going to slam you with some cool stuff. Now, don't forget, this Saturday at noon is the live. So the live where I'm going to be crafting with one of the needlebooks. I'm bringing on 1 or 2 people who are not shop owners to share what they did with the needlebook. I have one person that is going to be coming on that is a shop owner and a friend who's going to show what she did. What I mean by that is when I'm going live, certain people are going to come in the room live, and I'm going to let them do their talking and let them have the screen themselves so you guys can see what they did. And maybe they might inspire you to try something new and different with that little download that I shared with you guys. So thumbs up, like the video, say something positive down below, maybe help support each other, give some each other encouragement down below, because this channel is not just all about me. So thank you. You guys have a blessed day. It's going to be a good one. This weekend's going to be fun. The live event's going to be fun. If you're not familiar with what the live is, down below is the link. Click on it, join, and then if you have any questions, just message me. Down below is the Etsy shop. That's probably the best way. Some people ask, what's the best way to contact me? Down below, the Etsy shop is definitely by far the best way to reach out to me. The other social media outlets, it's like I will get back to them after, you know, Etsy, because Etsy is obviously work and income, and that would go first. So then I go through the messages there first, and then social media and thereafter. So a lot going on. I'm excited. Take a peek. Like I said, the shop, I'm slowly dwindling those things out to you guys. Usually when I do share new kits and stuff, I slam them out there. But this, the cookbook ones are, whew, I'm taking my time on those. And we have the Everything Sweets cookbook packs coming out too. So I'm debating on how to do those, because I really honestly, when I do the kits, I want you to see what you're getting. So instead of doing one listing with a drop-down menu, I wanted to make each kit their own listing, which is a whole lot of work. Seriously, a whole lot of work. But I do it because I know what you see in that listing is exactly what you're going to get, and that's my main goal. So thanks for your patience for me not doing a drop-down one listing for you guys. It's just going to take a little more time. Just be patient with me. So you guys have a blessed one, and I'm hoping I'm not forgetting something. I hope I'm not. Hope I'm not. Oh, let me think here. I just didn't want to leave you guys out of the loop of where I'm at, what's going on. Anyways, comment down below what you guys think. Love to hear anything positive and to hear what you guys are doing. And have a good one. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but have a good one. Bye, guys.